Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply Makeup. My name is V. In today's video, I am doing an eye look using, finally, I am getting a chance to use my Oden'S eyeshadow palette. It came with a scarf, and this is the palette. And it came with a card because it's 3 people. There are 3 different palettes, but I only got one, which is the Hummingbird by Fancy Face. This box is so pretty. I'm going to keep this box. But the Hummingbird palette is lace. I love it. I have not used it. I have seen Fancy Face, which is also called Tina, on Fancy Face did some eye looks with this. I think I have this palette about 2 months, maybe going 3 months, and I have not had a chance to use it because life got in the way. But now I'm ready to use it, and it is the Hummingbird palette by Fancy Face Tina. Here it is. Here is a mirror. These are the colors. Looking at the palette, and it is cute. I'm finally going to use this palette. Finally. Today's word is compassion. Compassion. That is today's word. Usually I put the word for the day at the end, but today I am putting it in the beginning. I hope you'll watch the rest of this video. We are going to use Tina's Fancy Face. There's a green one. They all have names. There's a green one. I think I'll use that green one. It's calling my name, this green one. This is cute. Oh my god, this is pretty. What is the name? Let me put my glasses on so I can tell you the name. The green one is called Feathers. As you can see, I already have eyeliner, everything on because I just did a video doing just an eyeliner look, so that maybe will be already up on YouTube. But since I have this, I'm just going to do another eye look, and I'm using my Hummingbird palette, which I've been dying to use. Time did not permit me, but now I'm ready. Oh, this is pretty. This is cute. Wow. And pigmented. This is truly giving me hummingbird vibe in the Caribbean. When you're in the Caribbean, those hummingbirds come, and this is truly giving me the vibes. I am back with the look from the Hummingbird palette by Tina Fancy Face, and it was done by Oden'S Eye. Oh my god, what a nice palette. I use feathers, which is the green, and a little bit of the orange, which is called swallowtail, in the inner tear duct. As you saw, I had my makeup on. I used my fingers, then I said, okay, I want to be a little bit more precise, so I went in with a brush. It works fantastic with the brush. No fallout, none. I am loving this. I am excited. I was excited when I bought it. Now I'm really excited to try it. This is the scarf. I'm gonna tie my hair for sure. Let's match this thing. But I am excited. The palette is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And I made my earrings. I have my hummingbird earrings. I cut it out from a postage thingy. So here we are with my hummingbird. I want to wear it the first time I do this video. My complete look. Love it. I tie my hair with a scarf. I have my hummingbird earrings. And I love it. Tina Fancy Face is on YouTube. You can go check her out. I'm very happy I bought this palette. So far I only used 2 colors in there, but I'll be playing with this palette again. I will be having fun with this palette. Love it. Again, today's word is compassion. Compassion. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I, Simply You Makeup, will see you in another video. Please remember to call someone over the holiday seasons. You might just lift their spirits up. Bye. Bye, bye, bye. See you soon. Love this palette. Oh my god. Yes.